हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू फूड सेरा। इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं स्लाइड के एडमिशन्स, प्लेसमेंट्स और कॉलेज की इन्फॉर्मेशन के बारे में। आज हम वहीं की पीएचडी स्कॉलर प्रज्ञा आर्या से बात करने वाले हैं और वो हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगी स्लाइड के एमटेक, बीटेक, पीएचडी से रिलेटेड आपकी बहुत सारी क्वेरीज के। सो चलिए मिलते हैं।
I am Pragya Arya, a research scholar in Sir Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology in Food Engineering Technology Department. SLITE is basically located near Longowal, Sangrur, Punjab. The commute is quite possible to the college, like we are having air commute, bus commute, train commute, all the things are possible. And I am a fourth year PhD scholar student in SLITE, and hopefully this journey till now has been very fruitful to me in my academic growth, in the life balance also. PhD is not just about your lab work, it is also dealing about your how you are dealing with different sorts of people and different sorts of critical situations which life has been imposing to us.
अब हमारा क्वेश्चन है प्रज्ञा से कि आप एलिजिबिलिटी के बारे में बताइए जो कि पीएचडी के एडमिशन्स में चाहिए होती है।
There are two modes. First of all, either you have a qualification of GATE, NET, UGC, JRF, or any kind of NET you are having. The certification level would be of JRF or NET. Second is SET. After qualifying SET written examination, you have to qualify for the interview round. And for qualifying the written examination, you get the 50% marks at least in the written paper. After qualifying written examination, you have to face interview round, and for interview round you have to prepare a research proposal, a presentation of approx 10 to 15 minutes, which is stating about what kind of work you are interested to do into the PhD line. Second, if you are a person with GATE and NET certification, then you directly face the interview of SLITE with the faculty members, which has been designated to set you qualified or being selected or not selected.
Okay, I would like to ask, is there any assistantship or fellowship provided at SLITE for PhD scholars?
So if you are qualifying the SET entrance, then qualifying the interview round, after that your written qualifying marks and your interview marks would get decided that you are getting the fellowship or not. That is institute funded fellowship, as this institute SLITE is being funded by MHRD. It's a central institute, and this is the first kind of fellowship you are getting, that is institute fellowship. Second fellowship is that you are, by qualifying the GATE and NET certifications, you are getting this fellowship directly from the government of India without, there is no interface of the college. So, and there is third mode also of PhD students are doing with at the time of admission they are not able to get any kind of fellowship, so they join as a non-fellowship students, but after qualifying their own examinations like GATE, NET, something, they can get the fellowship.
It's a very important question about the fees that we need to pay for MTech and PhD. So will you please tell us about the fee structure?
The fees of the academic courses which has been running in the SLITE. Actually, the fees of SLITE of any course, it could be master's, bachelor's, diploma, PhD, is very low as compared to other academic institutes. It could be NITs, it could be IITs, it could be private funded organizations, semi-government organization. So if a person is not having that much good of financial background and seeking a ample amount of knowledge from the teachers available here, application criteria for get an admission into the SLITE is quite high, as for the BTech you have to be qualified JEE mains. For the MTech the preference is to be given to the GATE qualified students only. And in PhD, as we have already discussed, that a person has to be either GATE qualified, NET qualified, or that person has to qualify the SET entrance test for the PhD and followed with the interview round. Even after the interview round, the marks of the written examination and your interview would decide that you would get an fellowship seat or you would get an admission or not, depending upon the performance of your written examination and your interview.
After all this valuable information, I would like you to tell us about the placements at Slide.
We can say कि moreover different sorts of companies are visiting to our campus like ITC, Nestle, Mondelez and Cremica. Different sorts of companies have been there who has been hiring our students from time to time depending upon the student's potential and their overall development of a particular student. It has been handled by the training and placement department of the Slide.
Okay, is there any advice you want to give to our viewers or those students who want to get admissions in Slide?
The question of any other advice for the Slide, yes. Actually, yes. If a person is a nature lover person, he or she should definitely come and visit to the campus at least once in the entire lifetime, because we are having a campus of 210 acres with different sorts of facilities in our camp in the particular area, like gym, sports area, you can say medical facilities, you can say swimming area, lake, it has been there, bee horticulture is there, it has been there, it all these things are being inside the campus. And for the commute there is a particular bus stand which has been there for the students, and that particular bus stand there is a particular timing the buses has been arriving for the students. Secondly, uh, the always a student seeks about the uh, infrastructure should be good, the class should be good, class should be modern. Yes, we are having a you can say smart classrooms, we are having a good infrastructures, we are having uh, high fully Wi-Fi campus, all the things we are having. But along with this, what we are at the benefiting end is that the faculty profile. A student is never, the today's student is not seeking for the faculty profile. The student is seeking just for the infrastructure, just for the coolness of the campus and all. Yes, we should. But along with that, the faculty profile matters a lot, because faculty is the one person who is making the career of that particular student. Okay, so if in my views a person, or particularly a student who is seeking an admission in masters or in like PhD degrees, should go with the faculty profile first instead of all the secondary things.
I want to thank you, Pragya, for sharing with us this valuable information. काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स को ये हेल्पफुल होगा एंड अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिए. हम यहाँ पे फूड न्यूट्रिशन, फूड टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड काफ़ी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करते हैं. आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, फूड सेरा. स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे सेफ, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.